启
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。有的时候我们的心情啊，不是真的伤心，只是心情不好。
心情唔好，
心情唔好 ，not necessarily sad, just not in a good mood。比如说啦，他家的猫咪不见了，所以心情不好。He lost his cat, so he's not in a good mood。
家不下嘅喵誒，
家不下嘅喵誒，
唔見睇咧，
唔見睇咧，
故所心情唔好，
故所心情唔好。OK， 猫喵吗？
喵誒，
喵誒。OK，that's a cat。或者说今天因为掉了钱包，心情不好。
今本日因為跌踢錢包誒，
因為跌踢錢包誒，
心情唔好，
心情唔好。Again, I'm not in a good mood because I lost my wallet. 錢包誒，錢包誒。That's your wallet. All right, let's review these phrases. A cat is 貓咪，
喵誒，
喵誒。A wallet is 錢包
誒，
and not in a good mood is 心情不好，
心情唔好。
And there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.